Sunshine sneezes, a fantastical weather tale. On a cheerful, sunlit day where birds sing in harmony, families picnic and children's laughter fills the air, the world seems perfect. Suddenly, with an enchanting voice, our whimsical tale begins. On a day as magical as any other, something extraordinary was waiting to unfold. Behold, our sunny friend with a funny, cartoonish face trembles. With an a coo, the heavens pour down rain, leaving everyone bemused and scampering for cover. The sun sneezed, inviting a watery surprise, echoes the narrator's